How to fix missing apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So a lot of times the apps are not present on your home screen. So in order to do that, simply swipe up the app list and here you'll be able to see all the apps that you have on your Android. If the apps are missing even from your app list, tap on the settings icon. As you tap on Settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of Apps. Here tap on Manage Apps, and as you tap on Manage Apps, you can just wait for a while or you can just tap on the search bar and search for the app that you feel is missing. So I'm going to search for an app over here, and here you can see this app was not available in the app list, but it's still there. So you can do the same over here. As you can see, different apps that you have available or that is not available or seen in the home screen or app list. So you can just see these apps over here. If you're still missing apps on Android, then you can just uninstall the application and reinstall, and that might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.